Michael, why don't we take a step back and talk about the integrated safety concept that you mentioned earlier? We have not yet spoken about the driver assistance systems, the new ones yet. But I know that this is a very important topic for Mercedes-Benz, right?
Absolutely, you're right. Technically, we want to save this topic to the big premiere. But let me give you a little teaser at least.
Please.
It's always worth waiting for the new S-Class because our flagship is going to do something special. Besides optimizing just the comfort and safety functions in many ways, we have also added some major new ideas and brought them to life. This will help increase the safety for all, not only the passengers, but also including other road users.
I really appreciate the concept of including everyone on the road.
You and me both. Let me give you an example. Our new MBUX interior assist, which is able to see and detect if a passenger in the vehicle is approaching the door handle. Now, when the S-Class detects that and somebody is close to the side of the vehicle, an exit warning can be issued even earlier than before.
That sounds like a very clever and a very convenient system. Just to put all of this into context, Michael, what is it that actually drives you and your team?
Well, what I do like most is that we connect different technologies in order to achieve one bigger level of safety. Like we demonstrated in our earlier talks about the pre-safe impulse sight and the e-active body control.
There are so many helpful features and smart features. Is there anything else that you are able to reveal today?
Maybe one last thing I can share, which is the updated active steering assist. Besides the significant improvement in performance, we want the S-Class to be a role model on the road. So that's why when driving at lower speeds, for example in a traffic jam on a highway, and we are approaching a hazardous scene, the car can now actually, independent from others, form an emergency corridor all by itself.
Michael, considering that this is just a small preview of what awaits us in September, it's very impressive, and we can only imagine what the full package in the new S-Class is going to be like. So thank you for giving us all of this exciting news, Michael.
You're very welcome, and we are looking forward to sharing even way more information in the upcoming month.